In this recording, I'm going to demonstrate how to conduct an exploratory factor analysis. I have a data set here with murder, assaults, urban population, and rape. And to conduct an EFA, or exploratory factor analysis, I just go to Analyses and then go to EFA. And then I'll go ahead and select some of my variables. Should be all four of these. Hit Confirm. Under the factor selection, I'm just going to select Kaiser. So I put in my variables, my factor selection method, and hit Calculate. Here is the output. So you can see the multivariate normality plot, and you can just scroll over to see if it looks more normal or not. It talks about factorability, multicollinearity. Here we identify that there is no multicollinearity. And then in terms of the factor loadings, some of the recommendations there, number of factors. And here you can see the scree plot, which is one factor. Talk about sample size, how much the factor accounts for the variance. And we have just one factor. And then here are the factor loadings. And then evaluating the factor structure. And that's how you conduct an EFA.